Hey, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to self-host n8n locally on your PC. Disclaimer, there is a more stable and secure way to do this, and that is with Docker and WSL. It handles updates, security and environment isolation automatically, but this method that I'm using with Node.js is a great shout because you can still run n8n locally and you can test some of your workflows. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is go to your terminal or PowerShell. On Windows it's just the Windows key and typing PowerShell. So once you're there, what you have to do is type in this: npm install n8n-g and then n8n start. So when you press that, it's gonna download n8n locally. I have already downloaded n8n on my PC, so let's see what happens. But this is basically the only step. By the way, do note that once you turn your PC off, you're gonna have to type n8n again. Okay, it's done downloading now, and it has all this text. It says initializing n8n process, blah blah blah. But what's important is that it runs on localhost 5678 now, and you have to press O to open it in the browser. So when I do that, it loads locally, and I have already made some workflows before. But if you want to create a new workflow, then you can press on create workflow in the top right. Alright, that was it for today. And also, you need to remember, every time you turn your PC off, this process gets killed and you have to do it again. You have to open n8n again. What you have to do is type n8n again, and then it loads the n8n prompt, after which you have to press O again to start it again. That was it for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.